clap once, twice, 3 times. Okay, guys. So, now that we're on the 3rd week of the essay, I'd like to start moving on to the next part of your outline, okay? And that is the body paragraph. If you look at your outline, how many body paragraphs do you have?
Well, you didn't know one? 4.
So we have 3. Remember, one of those paragraphs is the introduction paragraph, and the last paragraph is simply the conclusion, okay? So we really have 3 body paragraphs we actually started making our concept. Daniel. Okay, perfect. So for today, I would like for us to simply work on the second body paragraph, okay? Now there's some terminology that I need us to understand before we actually tackle it. And that is a topic sentence, okay? I know you've heard me mention it before, but we never really got into it, okay? Who can read what it says on the board? What is this on topic sentence? Anyone? What is this on the left side? What are the topic sentences? Just read it.
One sentence that sums up the main point of your paragraph.
Okay, good. So one sentence that sums up the main point of your paragraph, okay? And so the purpose of a topic sentence is that it's supposed to keep your paragraph focused, okay? In this case, I want to give an example actually, just so that this becomes a little bit more clear, okay? Let's watch this quick video. We'll watch like a few seconds of it, and then I'm gonna talk about it, okay?
If you ever have trouble organizing your essay or making your essay flow, then working on your topic sentences may be the solution you need. First, what is a topic sentence? A topic sentence is the first sentence of a body paragraph, and it has 2 jobs. One is to tell the reader the main point of a paragraph, and the other is to tell the reader how that paragraph connects to the thesis statement. Every body paragraph needs to focus on just one main idea. So once you're able to identify a point that supports your thesis, then you're ready to write a topic sentence.
Okay, so I would like to emphasize this idea, or this point right here. That it needs to have only one main idea. Okay, so let me give you an example. Imagine that you're going to write an essay about baking a cake, okay? The person reading it has never baked a cake before, so they're going to this reading plan. Can you think of a topic sentence for the first paragraph? Again, if you want this person to learn how to bake a cake when they've learned it before, what do you think a topic sentence could be for the first paragraph? What should they know about first? Take a second. I'll give you guys about 10 seconds. Think about it. They will talk to your partner. But what's a good topic sentence? Think of just one focus. You're a little confused, right? Okay. It's okay. Okay, so let me give you, okay, so this is what we'll do. I'm gonna give you an example, and then I want you guys to think of another example, okay? Let's say the first body paragraph, you're going to talk about the materials, right? So maybe your first sentence could say, before you begin baking, it is important to prepare all your materials. What are some of these materials?
Huh?
What are some materials?
Flour, sugar.
Well, that's ingredients. Are we talking about ingredients?
Like a bowl.
Bowl, yes. Spoons, spatulas, right? So that first paragraph. Pan, exactly. So that first paragraph will only be focused on those materials. That first paragraph will simply be focused on the materials. Can you think of a topic sentence for the second body paragraph? Now that we finished talking about materials, what do we talk about next?
Maybe the ingredients?
The ingredients, you see? So after you gather your materials, you want to gather your ingredients such as what? What are some ingredients in a cake?
Eggs.
Such as eggs,
Flour.
flour, milk, sugar. You see, good. That would be your second body paragraph. You see? notice how each paragraph is focusing on one specific thing. Okay? Are you gonna talk about baking in this paragraph? No, not yet. Because we're gonna talk about what?
Prepare your
The
material.
materials, exactly. So there will be no mention of ingredients, there will be no mention of baking just yet. Simply the materials. Good job. If you look at your outline and you go down from the topic sentence, what do you see next? Look at number 1. What does it say?
Introduction.
No. So body paragraph 2, number 1. So this is after the topic sentence.
It's just topic.
But below that, what does it say below that? Explain. Good. When you're going to explain, that means you're going to talk into the topic sentence. You want to give me more detail, okay? Maybe if you had this topic sentence, you might want to explain why it's important that we have these materials first, right? Maybe you might want to explain what a pot is, or how you're going to end up using this material later on. See? The explanation sounds confusing, but it really is just a matter of talking me through it. And just real quick, thank you for helping me. Just give me 1 second. Thank you. If you look at your graphic organizer, do you already have the explanation? We do. Look at your graphic organizer. Right? You gave me already point number 1. And then what did you do afterwards? You explained it, right? So then that explanation, you can just transfer it over to your outline. See? Does that make sense?
Yes.
Right? And that main point number 1, main point number 2, those could be your topic sentences. You see? Notice how you already did the work using our organizer. Any questions? Okay, so in a bit, okay. For the next 25 minutes, guys, I would like for you to continue working on the outline, okay? By now, we should have been finished with the graphic organizer. If you already finished the introduction from last class, start working on the first body paragraph, okay? Is that cool? Alright, guys. 25 minutes. What did you do with your
¿Dónde está esto? Porque es nomás, era buscarlo de la verdad. ¿De dónde los pediste?
Oh, okay. But thank you.
¿De cuál es? ¿De la autoestima o la consideración? A mejorar
Mister, what do I do with the thesis?
They're small.
What do I do with the thesis?
So with a thesis,
Huh?
you're going to
They're like-
your main point. So in this case, you gave me your topic, right?
Okay.
And then you already explained to me what
Well, I don't know, this
now
is
the thesis, you're gonna give your point. This is where you say, I believe,
Pues aquí habla
Mierda,
sobre
la
la
cara,
comunicación
I argue that
en el
baking
4.
does not help. That's because, and you give your reasons.
No lo sacaste de ahí. Porque no lo sacaste exactamente del texto, ¿verdad? Tú escribiste tu propia oración.
It's just I didn't triple.
Let me give you your,
Entonces, busca en el párrafo 5 uno que quiera su nombre.
Angel.
Yes, the copy already.
Angel, did you take care of people with you last time?
Where?
a bottle of pack.
He was saying that.
This is where you help summarize.
So once they're reading the notes, goes on in
You want to
I like it.
So I was like, oh shit. And I got stuck over there.
la concentración, la oportunidad de notar el aula y mejorar la interacción. Entonces, esa sería tu que ocupar. So, en vez de aquí, pues me haces en el párrafo que es 5, it says, y lo pones así. So puedes dejarlo.
So this is paragraph from student from last week. So her hook, she starts off by saying gaming has its disadvantages. But can we benefit from these? So she made a statement. Can it be stronger? But it's then she moves on to the explanation. And she says, throughout the article, it provided 2 points of view from different authors. One supporting positive communication, the other opposing positive communication. See how simple? She gave me a brief summary. She didn't go too into it. She just told me this article. And then she goes to her thesis, her point of view. It says, I believe that gaming can help communicate as it helps you create friendships. It improves digital literacy and helps you learn new things you didn't know. I'll leave this up. Guys, I'll leave the example introductory paragraph here for Oh yeah, they were in this class.
Oh yeah, the score.
Alright, cool.
You can use centigraph.
After a few minutes, I would change it to the first body paragraph to kind of example.
I did not have coffee.
Okay. I know that you are able to use why it connects to what as long as you can.
That's why it's not covered by the rifle.
So you choose. I remember.
Dude.
What are you?
That's our per law. Per law.
I like your one pair, they're blue on.
Or the last one.
Hopefully, bro.
That would be explained.
Or the resource writing that comes from
You
China.
have one pair of shorts? You don't know?
Yeah, the one is with the line.
It's kind of reformed.
Wear shorts if you want, I like
But what about
it.
that?
Or just wear the blue one, yeah.
So what about this?
Yeah, we can mind it if you up here.
Yeah, I'm gonna turn.
So if you don't, then try to make that plan if not without. So you're reading already. You have it ready. Essay outline? You don't have it. Oh, you do have it. Okay, se lo acabo de dar? Okay, so that will,
You want
that
like
will
this?
you'll analyze it. So you'll put the evidence and then you'll analyze Giving one piece of evidence supporting
Ok, muy bien.
your point.
Entonces me dijiste aquí que o sea, le da más gusto a los estudiantes a tener una ¿verdad?
¿Sabes?
Porque ellos
Right.
se
Getting
sienten amigos cuando están en la escuela.